You know, for me, it's a lot of fun to take bits of meat and put it on a stick and then just cook it until it's nicely cooked, juicy and charred. I could eat skewered meats all day long, and that's what we are doing with this Greek Souvlaki style pan grilled chicken. This is part of the hashtag Taste of Greece collab. Check out all those recipes to get the taste of Greece from all these great cooks on YouTube. And the ingredients are all linked below, so let's get started. Now, I am using a combination of dark and white meat, so just chicken thighs, which I've cubed up, and chicken breast. I'm gonna start by adding in some olive oil, then some freshly squeezed lemon juice, lots of garlic. Garlic really helps out here. I'm gonna just mince it up. And then for the spices, I have some dried oregano, some red pepper flakes, which I love for that heat. And then here is my homemade Italian seasoning with some rosemary, thyme, basil, parsley, and some more of those chili flakes. Then season that up with ground pepper and a generous portion of salt. We're gonna add a touch of white vinegar as well. Now grab a pair of tongs, your hands, or a pair of spoons. But at the end of it, what you want is chicken that's well mixed with all of those beautiful fresh ingredients. Now, a classic Souvlaki chicken dinner, the ones that I've had as someone in Canada, contains beautiful Souvlaki chicken skewer, some great Greek style lemon rice, and the most amazing soft lemony potatoes with tzatziki. And I'm making those potatoes for myself for this meal, but if you want to see how to make it amazing every time, let me know down below. There's only so much I can cover in one video without making it too bloated. So let me know down below. Now, only recently I learned that at my balcony, while I can't have a gas grill, I can have a small electric grill. And because I have these metal stainless steel skewers, it's gonna be perfect for that use. But today I'm making these skewers on a pan, and because of how long these skewers are, I kind of have to make it and position it in a way that I can fit the skewers properly along the edges of the pan. But there's nothing that you are gonna be surprised by with what I'm doing here. I'm taking the meat and I'm poking a stick through it. Now I'm gonna go pretty deep with how many pieces I'm gonna go on one skewer. It is pretty long, and I'm gonna load up on this chicken. It's gonna be so amazing. And then I'm gonna place that diagonally on my pan, just so I can fit it. And the pan is pretty hot right now, so if you would have sprinkled some water, it would have probably danced around. And you really want that to get that nice sear, get that nice char to kind of simulate you actually grilling it, and to get that smoky flavor in that meat. Now, if you're worried about what to do if the color is perfect but the inside is raw, well, that's why I have the next step. So the trick to get perfectly cooked skewers, which are also perfectly charred on the outside and have some beautiful crust, is to really have that hot pan, get that first side colored, flip the chicken, and then start getting that second side colored as well. And you're cooking this pretty quickly right now. Hot, scorching heat. And as you see that the other side is getting hot as well, cover that with a bowl to capture that steam. You want to make sure you get as much coverage as you can to trap that moisture, because that's going to help cook the inside. I would suggest that you tone the heat down when you have covered it, so that you can kind of lower the intensity, because you've achieved the color and the char that you are looking for. So it's really all up to you. Ooh, look at that, how good that looks. And I know, I lied. I didn't just make the potatoes, I also made the rice, the fresh tzatziki. And if you want to see all of that, let me know. But today the focus is on those chicken skewers, which are just looking incredible. And believe it or not, I'm gonna eat all of that. I am excited to get that small grill for the balcony at some point, so I can enjoy that and have my setup inside. But it's really hard to find, honestly, a small grill that's actually worth the money. that's electric. So I'm in the market. If you know something that I don't know, let me know down below. And if you want to see more skewers, then check out my Brazilian style beef churrasco. Churrasco? It's all linked down below. Check it out. Even though I may not know how to pronounce it, it's delicious. I'll see you on the next one. Bye all.